Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. It has been a busy afternoon with the heat, the humidity, and now some thunderstorms rolling through the area. As a matter of fact, we got a pretty good rain here just at the top of the show, and it's prompted a warning, which I'm going to show you here. We'll start out with, first of all, the heat advisory. That's the orange shaded area that you see on the map. We've dropped it in the northern counties. There's been some rain in those areas. But everybody else remains under a heat advisory. That's just for a couple more hours. Once the sun starts to go down, of course, won't be a problem. The green shaded area, that would be up there in Edgar County. That's a flash flood warning. And then if you look real close, there's a little bit of a darker orange shading there in Clay into Owen and southern Putnam counties. That's actually a severe thunderstorm warning. So here's what it looks like on the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar. You can see these thunderstorms moving in. And here's a closer angle at that. This cell is moving to the northeast about 25. Coming out of about around center point. That'd be up around Cloverdale eventually, and then over into northern Owen County. It may have winds of about 60 miles per hour, quarter-size hail. It's marginally severe. I mean, it's borderline not even being classified severe, but it may produce a little wind with it as well. So anywhere from center point to Cloverdale over to the northern portion of Owen County, we do have a thunderstorm with a severe thunderstorm warning there until 6:45. Otherwise, the heat has been the big story today. We hit 92 for the high, just 8 degrees away from the record high for this day. Look at the morning low. I mean, we started the day at 79 degrees. So no TV station, but we anticipate that changing with these showers and storms drifting south with time. Here's what we got right now. At the airport in Terre Haute, temperature in the upper 70s. It has cooled with that north wind at 23 with some rain near the area and moving across northern Vigo County. Temperatures are hot in the south where they've got 93 in the Vincennes area. Look at these dew points. I mean, crazy dew point numbers climbing well into the 70s out there. That drives the heat index up. So where it's not raining, we've got heat index values that are over 100. We topped out at 108 today here at where we live, so it has been a hot one once again. On the water vapor satellite, you can see some deeper moisture across the area. There's a front actually moving in, and that's creating these showers and storms. So on the satellites, you can see that as well, a line of showers and thunderstorms moving across the area. Here's a closer look at this over the last several hours, and they've been moving in from the north and slowly making their way to the not looking at any rain, at least not just yet. We'll take a closer look now with Automotive Doppler radar, and you'll be able to see that we do have these showers and storms in the area. Heaviest amounts north, as you saw there in Edgar County right there. We do have the flash flood warning because there is some heavy rain still falling there. We'll slide this over into Indiana, and you can see that we continue with some heavy rain also across Indiana, and we do have that severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Clay, Owen, and also southern Putnam County until 6:45. And then south of there, well, there's not a whole lot going on, at least not yet. We anticipate some additional showers and storms to be developing in the southern counties eventually. There is a slight risk of some severe weather as we head through the rest of the evening hours. But again, I think any thunderstorm warnings will be probably very isolated. This does not look like a widespread problem as far as lots of severe weather, but a couple of warnings may pop out here or there for the next hour or so. So for tonight then, mostly cloudy, some around and 70 for the low. Then for tomorrow, daytime high not quite as hot, 87. Maybe a storm pops here or there, but I think we're mostly dry tomorrow. And then after that, well, here comes the chance of showers and storms back as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Temperatures hold in the upper 80s. It dries up and heats up. Look at next weekend. Here we go again. Highs back in the low to mid 90s next weekend. That's a wrap on the forecast. Sports is next.